Today we will be showing you how to take off the in-lighting on a Vauxhall Corsa 2008 plate. So the in-light housing is that. You get it from the corner, pull it down, take it off. In between there to there should be a bulb. So how do we know this is a safe circuit to work on? We don't know, this could be live. So what we do is simply disconnect it from the wiring, fit your bulb on, make sure that's off. Once you know that's off, you've fitted the bulb on now. This is just an example. Connect the wiring back up. Simply push it in from that side. Once you get that side in, jobs are good.